Swamiji, for the opportunity.
Thank you very much, Chandra-ji. Thank you very much. Okay, very good. Yeah, so Varun, what's next?
Let me see if Polymiji's session is over. Just give me a 2 minutes.
In the meanwhile, anybody else want to share?
Swamiji?
Yes, yes.
We can never forget the expressions these which you had made us learn, especially this one. Opposite values complement are complementary, sorry.
Yeah.
And don't become a football of other people's opinion.
Yes, yes, yes.
And
yeah, and also this one. Accept people and situation as they are. Otherwise, we are only pointing fingers. We point one finger towards us, 3 fingers are pointing towards us.
yes. And this one also, that don't see intentions behind.
Others' mistake,
Other
yes.
mistakes, this action. I can never forget these actions in my
But
life.
I tell you, all these knowledge points and everything, 100% will only work when your energy levels are high.
Yes, I agree.
If energy levels are low, don't expect anything, not even 100%, not even,
definitely.
giving any activity.
Exactly. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Yes, Varun?
Swamiji, they all can, you can follow Gurudev on different social media platforms. I will share the details on on the WhatsApp group. You can follow Gurudev on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and he himself write such a beautiful knowledge every day. Not every day, say 2-3 days in a week, and I will also share the details about Swamiji's social media account, Polymiji's social media account. You all can follow them, and I will share my mobile number in the group. It is already there, and for any help, like you want any, we have 5,000 centers throughout the country. So once the lockdown is over, you can go and do Sudarshan Kriya in person in Art of Living centers throughout the country. And yes, Dr. Lal.
Yeah, I want to ask something to Swamiji. Okay,
Yes.
Who has designed this course? Who has designed this program? It was wonderful.
You can see the picture next to me.
Can you? Yeah, that's why I am asking. Can you tell me all of us something about to whom, for who has actually designed the program?
Yeah, I mean,
We have
maybe
experienced
I
the
think
program definitely, but
that's a very good idea, Dr. Lad. Varun, do you have the latest Love Moves the World this thing in your YouTube? Can you play?
Just a second, I'll check something.
Yeah, because that will be really nice. Because the one who has created this program, because I tell you the secret. Are you all ready to listen to secret?
But
the secret is
we will definitely see. We will definitely see it anywhere, but we want to hear you from your mouth.
Okay, from me. Okay, so there was a boy of 4-year-old whose parents were like, parents were going somewhere, so they put him to some place, neighbor, and the neighbor happened to be a Bhagavad Gita teacher. So he was teaching the class, and these small child, like one was 4 years, one was 2 years. They were like, they were waiting there, just, because the parents told them to wait and they'll come and pick them up. And suddenly this 4-year child, he stopped the teacher. Say, you are not pronouncing this correctly. He said, what do you mean? He said, no, this should be pronounced like this. He said, okay, tell me more. So tell me the other shloka. And he was chanting Bhagavad Gita at the age of 4. So that was a time then that the teacher realized, and then the parents also did not know that he could recite Bhagavad Gita. So they were shocked and they knew that this is a special child. And, and by the time, by the age of 21, he finished his master degrees in physics and all the Vedic literature, Vedic sciences. And there it was very clear that he wanted to bring a change in the world. And he used to say that I have family all over the world, I have to go and meet. And people used to make fun because, practically he had no one. And they used to complain to his mother, why he's telling this lie? Because he used to say that we have families all over the world, even as a small child, that we have families all over the world. So mother used to scold him, why are you telling this lie when we have nobody? So he used to smile. And now very soon, like the world has realized that, somebody, any experiences you have ever had or read in a book by any master ever, we have seen all those experiences live. Yeah. So it's like, from like an enlightened master, you name it, and this we have seen it in front of us. So maybe in some other, when you're coming for the silent retreat, I will tell so many stories. Yeah, they're like, where that it's like you are not alone. So I would also like to tell everybody, just know that divinity is there with us. We are not alone. Yeah, doesn't matter what happens in life, there is a power with us. Yeah, because all these experiences are not because of even breathing. It is because of something else, and that is called as grace factor. So that grace factor is like really, really very beautiful factor, because we don't have that much time to really open the book, because if I open the book, it's very difficult, to sum it up. But for sure, when you're coming for the next program in silence retreat, I'll be sharing so many beautiful stories that has happened, which we probably would have only read in the books, in comics, that this used to happen when the enlightened master is there, whether it's, saving anything, having the nature, listening, and, he knowing about everybody, he knowing about dreams, he understanding, realizing animals, every experiences, and, we have seen it live. Yeah, so now we have Poulami also. Poulami, welcome.
Thank you, Swamiji. Yeah, wonderful. So that brings us to the end of this program, is it?
Almost.
So I would say this is not the end. This is the beginning. This is just the beginning. Yeah. And from tomorrow onwards, yeah, this has to go here. Huh? And this has to come here. And this has to come here. That's it. Just a few breaths and just a few little attention and you're done. Huh? And we are always there. Swamiji's mail ID we will share with you. My number you already have. Varunji is also here. So we'll always be there. But I really just now started the journey towards team building. Yes, I think more than team building, we have now become a team. Haven't we? Yes. Because now there is complete belongingness, right? Though we may be thousands of miles away from each other, thousands of kilometers away, but this belongingness is going to keep us together, right? And we are a family now. Not only a team, but a family now. Yeah. Yeah. So just this one commitment of the Kriya. Swamiji, did we tell them about the 40 days commitment?
No, please tell. Please tell.
Oh, yeah. So there is a very beautiful thing, So there are trillions of cells in our body. You know that, right? There are trillions and trillions of cells in our body. So when you do the Sudarshan Kriya for continuously for 40 days, remember this, continuously for 40 days, which means without a break, So on the 36th day, if you're not going to do it, then it won't be counted. Then again, you have to go back and start from day 1. So in 40 days, it is said that all the cells of the body are detoxified with non-stop Sudarshan Kriya. Are you getting this? So I need a commitment. And this commitment you're not doing for me. This commitment you're doing to your life, your body, your life, which is so precious. And especially in these difficult times, this commitment you will have to make for your own good. Because if you're going to be safe, if you're going to be healthy and happy, only then your children, your family, your work, your profession, everything will be in place. So how many people are giving this commitment that yes, for 40 days non-stop, I will do it, whether it is snowing, whether it is raining, whether there is a bomb blast, I don't care. I am going to do my Kriya. Okay, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Superb. And Varun Bhaiya, are we going to be doing some follow-ups for them also?
We will send all the follow-up details to them. They can do Sudarshan Kriya in Guruji's voice, and we will share the details with them.
Yeah. So keep looking out for the group, okay? And quickly come and join, register for the AMC, because this is a beautiful time of the year. Let us end the year on a very, very positive note. You know, the year may not have started very positive, but let's all end the year in a very positive note. And what can be the best when you're going to be in Maun? It is the highest prasada. I don't know if you know this, but being in silence is the highest prasada. It is the biggest gift you can give to yourself, the knowledge and the silence. And that also with Swamiji. Yeah. So that's it from my side. And yes, Swamiji.
Okay, so yes.
Sorry. All those people who have written in the feedback form that they wanted to do the advanced program of Art of Living, the next level of program of Art of Living, you will get a call from our side for the registration and other details.
Perfect. So it's like, in family, in Art of Living, there is no two ways. It's only one-way traffic. So once you are in, you're a part of this worldwide family of Art of Living, and know that wherever you go, you have family members everywhere, and all the family members who are connected by heart, connected by spirit, who care and share, who smile and serve, and who celebrate and meditate. So this is like, this family's USP, that you'll always find people, anybody smiling, you can go and ask them, have you done Art of Living course? So this is like the USP, like a smile, unshakable smile on people's face. And then don't stop here. I tell you, don't stop here. Education is very good, but the education of the self is the highest, because it's going to help people for lifetimes. And so many unresolved issues get solved with that, resolved. So I'm so glad to have such nice family members added to the family. And for sure, we keep in touch. And if you keep moving forward on your spiritual journey, for sure, we'll be guiding, with the signboards on. Okay, this way, wait for some time. Okay, jump here, So thank you very much. It has been lovely. Thank you to all the organizers, and NIT Jalandhar, Polymaji, Varunji, and all the faculty members, Dean, it's such an amazing time. Thank you very much. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, Dr. Shesha, Nalini ji. I'll be calling you Krishnananda ji, Bhavna ji.